Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, my hair was kind of crazy, so I kind of laid it down. I think we can. Okay, let's do that again. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for joining me. Asia here if you're new to my channel. If you guys are not new to my channel, hey guys. I really honestly don't know what to call this look. I was getting ready to go do stuff, and so I figured I would just film it for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. In this video, I am using the KARITY Picante palette. It is a beautiful palette. I feel like it looks really good on my skin tone, and yeah, if you guys have been following my Snapchat, then you already know that I just refuse to conform to the makeup norms. So you might see some ways that I do my makeup in this video, and you might be like, Asia, what are you doing? It is what it is. In the end, this is what it's gonna look like. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah. As a YouTube watcher myself, I really do not like to watch videos where a person is doing a whole lot of talking. So I'm just going to play the video for you guys. And if you have any questions, leave them down for me below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, so there it is. This super quick, easy, to me, I mean, really, if I wasn't recording it, it'd go super fast. The colors are really easy to blend together. It's just a really nice look. It's easy for like every day. You could wear with lashes or without lashes. I just feel like I look like a bald cat without lashes, so I put on lashes. And now all I need to do is clean up my station, put on some clothes, and get out of here. Where am I gonna go today? I feel like I need to go somewhere. Like I need to do something. It's like on the days that I get up and record, I have nowhere to go. You know what? You always have somewhere to go. As long as Target is open, you always have a place to be. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, make sure before you go to subscribe, y'all. It's the right thing to do. There's nobody here to cut me out, but you know, we're continuing this into 2019. Iska nails, Iska's, I don't know if you guys can see that. Hey Iska, girl, you slay my life and slay my nails. Ooh, I have a video that I recorded about a palette that I was not happy with, and I feel bad, so I haven't uploaded it. I feel really bad. I feel like I need to blend this out a little more, so that's what I'm gonna do real quick. Just take a little bit of Harvest and blend her some more. There's nothing wrong with finding areas that you need to, you know, blend. Like her right there, she's talking to me. She needs a little bit of a, let me leave her alone before I start adding more stuff. Okay, bye guys.